Hey guys, welcome back to DrawWithZach, because today we are going to be doing another DrawWithZach. Now, so we drew Mario last week. So this week, what are we drawing? Luigi. Yes. So we're drawing Mario's brother Luigi. Unfortunately, we don't have a dog called Luigi, so we don't have any dogs in today. But next week we'll have Bowser in when we are drawing Bowser. Right. You want to, yeah. Right, so we are going to get started. But don't forget to follow along with me. You do actually need quite a lot of colours for this one, so I'll show you what you need. So you need your, where have I put it? Your drawing pen and a pencil, maybe if you want at the end. I'll show you why. And then we've got all these colours. Sorry guys. Okay, so what you need is peach, brown, yellow, red, dark green, dark blue, light blue, and black. Okay, so that's all that you need. Right, so we are going to get started. So, first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to draw a little L at the top of the page, and then at the bottom of the L we're going to go up a little bit, and then at the top of the L we're going to go to the right a little bit, and then we're going to go down and join it up so it's like an L in bubble writing. Okay, and now we're going to do a big circle around it. Okay, sorry guys. And now we're going to come from the centre of the L out and down like that, and then we're going to do a nice big curve on either side, like that. Okay, now we're going to join up the dots with just a slight curve, like that, and that's the front of his hat, kind of like that bit of a cap, but I like wearing it backwards because that's cool. Okay, right, now we're going to draw his face, so it's basically kind of like the same as Mario pretty much, so it should be pretty easy for you guys who watched last week's video. Last week's video was also quite good. We got 160 views, so try and help me reach 160 views on this one as well. Anyway, so we're going to draw his nose, quite big nose right here, right in the middle underneath the cap, and then we're going to come out from the centre of it and up slightly, and then you're going to put a dot right underneath the middle of the nose. Okay, and now we're just going to do 2 bumps instead of 6 like last week, just 2 bumps to make his moustache. And then we're going to do his mouth, which is going to come just a little smile right there, and then you're going to join up the 2 lines again with a nice big one, and then you're going to do another line that's parallel to that top line for a row of teeth, and then finally a little bump at the bottom for his tongue. Right, okay, good job guys. Now onto his eyes, so we're going to go from just to the right of the top of the nose, up, round, down and in, and then try and make it symmetrical on the other side. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to go from the side of it, up, round and in, and inside the eye, like that. And then you're going to do another circle, which is just from the inside, like that. And then you're going to do another circle inside that circle nearer the top. Okay, good job guys. We're going to just colour in the little bit outside of the circle, so I'll probably think it looks like Mario right now, but don't worry, it will look more like Luigi at the end. Just finishing colouring in. Okay, and now onto the eyebrows, which we're just going to do basically like a sad face above his eyes, and then we're going to join them up with an even taller one like that. Okay, good job guys. And that's pretty much his face done. So now we're just going to go around it. So we're going to go from the cap down and just above where that moustache is. And same on the other side. Right, nice. And now we're going to do a bump, and it might go through the moustache a little bit. And then we're going to come out of the moustache, and we're just going to do a quite thin thingy around his chin. Okay, and that is his face done. Right, now let's draw some hair so it comes up from where the moustache was, like that, and it's going to come out kind of parallel to the line. Okay, now onto his ears, which is going to go, so you're going to start from where the centre of the eye is, put your pen there, and then it's going to go up and round and in, up, round and in. Ooh. That left one was really small, sorry about that, guys. And then you're going to do the same as what we did with Mario, so a C, a big kind of like hook, and then backward C. Yep. And now we're going to finish off his hat. So basically just doing it in the same order as we did Mario. So we're going to come from where that corner was, come out and up, stop there, and then come from that corner, out and up. And then we're just going to come over the L and join it up. So that is his whole face done. Well done, guys. So onto his body now. So we're going to draw a little, like, kind of almost a square, like from there to there. That'll do. And then we're going to come out from where that point is, come out and point it down a little bit, and then it's going to come down. Now this is where it gets slightly different to last time, but first we're just going to draw a nice big circle for his buttons right there. Okay, now we're going to bring out the lines out like that, and then you're going to bring it all the way down. So that was quite a big step, so be careful with that one. So we're going to bring it down almost all the way to the bottom, but not quite. And now we're going to draw a little line just where it started going straight down, and then we're going to draw a line on the left side that's going closer towards that, and a line on the right side is going towards that, so it should get a bit thicker through there. And now you can get a bit more of a feeling of where the legs and the body is. So we're just going to draw a line from where the thickest part of the hip is, and then another line parallel to that. Right, we're actually nearly done now already. So now we're going to draw, we're going to join up these ones with a nice little curve like that. And then we're going to point out the shoes to the way that they will be. So like on the right side pointing it to the right, and on the left side pointing it to the left. Okay, and now we're just going to do a tiny little line down on each side of the shoe like that. And then we're going to join up those lines with, once again, parallel to the other line. Okay, that is his legs and body done, so all we've got left is his arms now, guys. Well done. So let's go. So we're going to go from where, just underneath where that point is, and out about that far, and then the same on the other side. That one a bit longer. And then we're going to go from where that point where you make it the body, we're going to come that out on either side. Okay, good job, guys. And now you're going to go from just outside of it, and you're going to join it up with a curve like that. Okay, and now we're going to join it up because, like with a curve, because he's putting his hand into a glove. Well, he's got a glove on. And now we're just going to do the exact same thing as what we did with Mario. So on this side, I'm going to come up, and it's a bit of a squiggle, a spiral, and then on this side, I'm going to come around and in. And then on the other side, you do it the opposite way around, like that. Right, so Well done, everybody. We've finished Luigi, so we are about to go into speedy mode with my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. So guys, are you ready for speed mode? But wait, before we go into speed mode, don't forget to like and subscribe. So do that now before we go into speedy mode. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, speedy mode! Speedy time is over, but we have got Luigi.
All finished.
Yeah, all finished. Don't forget to watch my other videos, because sometimes I refer back to them and you could just be like, what? So don't forget to go and watch them. And also don't forget to watch the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. It's great, and that's actually what inspired me to do this video. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!